Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. We're down at the allotment again, and what I've got to do today now is just start my clearing up. And what I want to do first is get this bed here where my garlics was. I've got two beds. What I want to sort out, I see they've brought around some manure, so I want to get this bed laid out and ready for the next season. So if you like our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comments section. We'll get back to you on them. So we're going to make a start with this, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got the amount of manure what we need. I want to put about a 6-inch layer on it and let it rotten down. Then once it's rotten down, I dig that in, then I'm good for the next season. So just looking for any stones, because sometimes there's some big stones in there. And I've got that other bed round there to do, but I'll have to do it. I'm too hot now. Right, so I'm going to spread this out, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got those two beds sorted out. That was my main aim. I'm just hot now, I'm just waiting for the hose to water on and I can go. Right, today's the 18th of July and it's time to empty out this 1 potato bucket challenge thing. I'm just kind of cut off all these the stems. That's the pole, what I put it in it so that I know that it's this one. And what I'm going to do is just tip that over now and see what we got out of it. We've got big potatoes or no potatoes. I know one thing what we got out of it though is a load of pill bugs or wood louse. They're all over it. You can see like a big nest of them or something. So I'm gonna have to break this down with something. I don't want these crawling all over me. Let's see if there's any potatoes in there or if they've ate them. So far can't see nothing. Seen one. Let me get a little tray. So that's the first one. That's two. Right, here we go. And here they come. So this is just one potato seed what was put in here. The soil is still quite wet. Put these little ones out as well. So far I'm happy with it so far. Got to weigh this when I get home, get in as well, and let you know what the weight is. I think this is the one root there. Don't see any more. One little one there. So that's what came out of that one potato bucket, which is, don't know if they look a bit scabby. Do they look scabby? Some of them look a bit scabby, but they'll be used over the weekend. So that's what came out of them, which is not too bad. I was expecting like big giant potatoes like that size, but that's what came out of it. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so just giving everything a good watering now. Finally got hold of the hose, and once I move from this spot, I'm just going to let my cameraman pass me and show you the marrow. That's how big it's getting. Like I said, I'm going to leave it for a while and see how big it gets. We don't really eat marrow, so I'm just going to leave it and see how big it gets, and then if it gets bigger than how it is now, because it's putting on quite a size, then I'll take it out and give it to someone who eats it. Right, so we're just going to carry on watering. That's my little harvest what I've got for today. Some blackberries, courgette, cucumber, some thyme, some strawberries, some peppers. And I noticed with my strawberry plants in here now, they're just sending off a lot of runners all of a sudden, which is a good thing anyway, because these are meant to be the gigantor ones. So once you plant a strawberry plant, you know if it keeps going, then you don't have to put any more in there. Right, so I'm just watering now, just having a see. Got some spinach to harvest next time. It just keeps coming. There you see my corns. A lot of them's got the brown heads on them, but they're really skinny. But it's one of those things. I'll squeeze them. There seem to be cobs in them, so I'll have to see how thin the cobs are. So I'm just making sure everything gets a good water. Then Monday now they get another good water in. That's about basically all what you can be doing for now, is just watering. keeping on top of the weeds. So I'm going to carry on with this and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've just finished watering in my polytunnel and I'll just show you my kohlrabi, how they're grown. About another couple of weeks and they'll be ready for harvest. You just need them the size of about like a baseball or about that size. You don't need them any bigger than that. And then you see my okras in front, they're put on their leaves and they're grown nicely. I'm not transplanting them, I'm just leaving them where they are and see what happens. I've got some in that tub as well. I was thinking of putting some out, but I think I'm just going to leave it. So that's what's going on. We've got more or less everything what I wanted to get done today I got done. When I get in I'll weigh up those one potato challenge and get those weighed and let you know what weight we got out of it. So if you was on my one potato challenge, today's the day, the 18th, to harvest your bucket and see what weights we get out of them. Right, I'm just watering, giving this a bit of water over it. That's just to keep it down and keep the moisture in, get the soil underneath with the worms moving and things like that. So that's why I water my manure in. Right, so if you're liking what you're seeing, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. So thanks for watching this one and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.